Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use 5-HTP. 5-HTP, or 5-hydroxytryptophan, is a naturally occurring amino acid that your body converts into serotonin. Serotonin is a crucial neurotransmitter impacting your mood, sleep cycles, and even appetite. Many people use 5-HTP as a supplement to support these vital bodily functions. Understanding its role is key to proper usage. We'll cover how to take it effectively and what to expect. When starting 5-HTP, it's generally recommended to begin with a lower dose, like 50 milligrams, taken once a day. This allows your body to adjust. If needed, you can gradually increase your intake to 100 milligrams, 2 or 3 times daily, but always consult a healthcare professional first. Taking 5-HTP with food can help reduce any potential gastrointestinal discomfort. Many individuals find 5-HTP beneficial for enhancing mood and achieving more restful sleep. It can also potentially help with appetite control and even reduce the frequency of migraines for some. However, it's important to be aware of potential side effects. These can include mild nausea, diarrhea, or drowsiness, especially when first starting the supplement. Before incorporating 5-HTP into your routine, it's crucial to consult with a healthcare professional, especially if you are currently taking other medications. It's particularly important to avoid combining 5-HTP with antidepressants or any other drugs that affect serotonin levels, as this could lead to serious complications. Always prioritize your safety and well-being. Also, be sure to check the description for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.